Back again with Rumah Bali. Welcome to Maine Residence.
Welcome to Maine Residence Premier Luxury Villa in Nusa Dua, Bali. Maine Residence is a modern residence that carries the concept of a holiday home. With an easily accessible location, which is on Jalan Dharmawangsa, Nusa Dua, Bali, making this area a very promising property product, both for residents and investment. The advantages possessed by Maine Residence include having a modern and premium design, as well as being supported by a variety of world-class standard residential facilities.
So right now I'm in the master bedroom of spectacular unit. And what I really like about this house, they have like the best, the marvelous ever bathtub that I've ever seen in my life.
And the other facilities in this spectacular house, they have a sunken private pool and entertainment lounge that you will never forget. And what's interesting about this house, they have separated building in one home. The lounge room below the master bedroom is very cozy for you to have a quality time with families and friends. So I really recommend you to have this house because the location is also strategic and the view is super gorgeous. For more information, you can see the details from our website rumahbali.id.